Hello friends. So here we are understanding the wave, which is optimization technique, grouping together outbound delivery to send the goods to the customer through the routes. Okay, our customer can locate it in one country, different states, different customer located in different states. In one country, one city, multiple customer could have. In one country, different states, different cities, different customer could have. It depends. So here I explain our warehouse located here, which is the source country. Suppose this is our country from we send the goods to our customers, and here we have the source country, and here we have the our warehouse, and we have the outbound deliveries. This is the outbound deliveries. Here we can see grouping of the customers. This is the wave. This is we call grouping of. So grouping of outbound deliveries. Deliveries means outbound delivery means grouping the customers. Okay. So here we have the customers. This is the route. So this is we call. This is the. I will consider wave type 1 or outbound delivery. Outbound deliveries, okay, or wave 1. Okay, so like similar, this is our source warehouse. We have the two customers, for an example, in a different cities, different states. We have the two customers. So when we send the deliveries to them, suppose we are using here goods train. Okay, this is the train, goods train. Okay. So we sending through the routes goods train. So the way of the outbound deliveries, this is the we call route 1. We using route 1. This is the flow grouping together for all inside the one country, grouping the outbound delivery. We call this is the wave 1 or wave type 1. Okay. So like similar, we want to send some of the goods to the customers. Okay, and grouping together them. Okay, so we call this is the wave 1, or like because we use wave 1 here, I use wave 1, wave type 2 here, wave 3 I will use here, wave type 3 here. So this is we call outbound, or we call outbound deliveries. Okay, or we call this is the okay, outbound deliveries, waves, grouping together the deliveries, we can call route. So here we can consider in this deliveries to this customer, route 1, we can take route 1. Here we can take route 2, route 3, route 4. So here suppose we send the goods via cargo planes. Okay, here we send the goods to the customer through the cargo planes. Okay, so cargo planes, this is the cargo planes. Here we send the goods to the customer through the another transportable unit. Okay, which is the goods train. These are the goods train. Here we send this is another, suppose city we send, or country, then we take the another, suppose through the water, we have the water, we send through the ships, container, it holds the container. Okay, depends where is your customer located. And suppose here we use the trucks. So the route, transportable unit, route would be determined by the customers. So route, transportable unit would be determined where is your customers are located, in which country, in which city, which location. Okay, so this is the flow of the optimization technique of the wave management. Okay, see, we are grouping because we know in the country B we have the different customers we sending. So suppose for an example, one country we know we have the different customers. Optimization way, in one, suppose we need to send the goods to our customer through the water, through the sea. So in one big container, what I will do, we know we have in this country we have the 50 customers. So what we will do, in the same container we put all the goods for our customers. So the container, so here at the runtime we use the ship as a transportable unit. The water is the way, nothing but a route. Customer is the destination customer. Our warehouse located in the source side, and we send the goods to the customers. See here, route is the sea, water. Container ship is the transportable unit, okay? And here, inside the transportable unit, we have the container on top of cargo ships, okay? If you see, inside that we have the different HU, different deliveries for each and every customers. Those are nothing but we have the outbound deliveries. And from our warehouse to send to the goods to the country, destination country, 50 customers, container, this entire process, this entire one process, we